What's up, everybody? It's your boy Killer B coming at you, man. Hey, I was challenged by Wood Jr., man, to show what's in my saddlebag. So, man, we gonna get right to it. Wood, you wrong for this, buddy. You wrong for challenging me, bro. I ain't got much in here, but hey, let's get to it, man. I'm gonna show you what's in my saddlebags, man. This is what's in my saddlebags, man. This is my stuff to my GoPro that I keep over here. This is a phone deal with, in case I want to use my phone, and I got Carson wrench. This is a little wrench to take the little clamp off right here on your levelers, man. So on your levers up there. So I got a tire gauge right here. Aha! I ain't got much in here, Wood, but I did accept your challenge. I got some ties. I make sure I keep these in here. I keep all these in here. And I got this here. It goes with a disc brake lock deal. It's probably on that side. I lock my helmet up, and I put the disc pad on here. I think it's over here somewhere. But let's see what's in this other one right here. But this is, I keep my net in here. I got a couple of pair of gloves that I keep in here. Got these. Hey, these some nice gloves here. And I got a set of leather gloves. And I got another set of gloves right here. So these are 3 pair of gloves that I rock all the time. And I have, oh man, I want to show that, some denim black cleaner. I do use this, so when I want a quick wash down on my bike, I got this in case I park in some dirt for my kickstand, if I park in some dirt or some grass. So yeah, I got this. Forgive the wind is kind of blowing pretty strong here in Texas. So yeah, got a couple of Harley towels that I use. Hey man, these are the best towels right here. They some Harley Davidson towels, man, and they work perfect on this black with that denim cleaner, man. I mean, it's like streak free, man. So I got those towels. I got blue and red Loctite, man. Yeah, because I had an accident one time. I was going down the road and my peg came loose on here, and it just needed the Loctite. So I got the Loctite. I got electrical tape. I got another lock that I use to lock up my helmet. So I got 2 different things that I use to lock my helmet up. I got some needle nose pliers. I got my star wrench and needle nose pliers. I got another pair of needle nose pliers and some wire cutters right here. So these are some of the things that I keep in here. I got some Gorilla tape right here, so I keep that in here. I keep this to my Cena headset, you know, in case my headset get, you know, die on me. So yeah, this is something to recharge it while I'm riding on my bike. So yeah, I keep my glasses because I need these to read. But so here's my lock that I use with this here. It's a disc brake lock, but I use it to lock my helmet up on my pegs down here. So I put it on my pegs and wrap this around it, and I still use this to lock my helmet, and then I still stick it in my disc brakes. So this still is good. So I always keep it in there just in case. Extra protection. What else do I got in here? I got my knife, and I have my Allen wrenches and all that in here. So I keep my Allen wrenches in here. These are just some papers, important papers, some stuff I want to get done to my bike. So, but I ain't gonna show you what else is in there, cause I have license to carry, man. So I do carry my piece with me in my saddlebag. So yeah, I do carry that, man. and I got license to show. I show them, you know, license to carry for Texas. But yeah. But that's just what it is, man. That's what I have in my saddlebag. And man, I appreciate y'all watching my channel. And I thank y'all for everything y'all done for your brother. Hey Woods, hope to see you soon. And man, I want to challenge Ride and Wrenches to show what he have in his saddlebag. And I want to challenge GQ to show what he keeps in his saddlebag. I know that brother, he stays on the road. And Howlin' Moto, I want him to show what he have and what he keeps in his saddlebag. So I hope they accept the challenge. And hey, that's what it is, Wood. Hey man, y'all have a great day. Keep the tools down. Bless.